Hello, this is Brian from GeoPath, and today we'll be covering how to filter by median placement in the Explore module. In the Filter Inventory tab at the top, you'll notice the median placement group here. Within this category, there are many different ways to filter down the group of inventory we're currently looking at. Here, I'm looking at about 33,000 spots in the Atlanta DMA. Using the Media class filter, I can select Roadside Media, Fleet Exterior Scheduled, which is bus exterior, or Place-Based Media. The structure type filter allows you to filter based on the construction of the unit itself. This would allow you to select things like freestanding units like bulletins or posters, furniture like benches or transit shelters, and more. The media type filter is based on the size of the frame and is set around industry standard definitions. Operator media name is full of the unique names that operators submit inventory for measurement with. You can think of this like the product name. This category is very helpful for selecting specific media types based on some commonly used names in the industry. The material filter allows you to select for digital or printed units. Finally, these last three filters apply specifically to place-based media. The place type filter can be used to select the type of venue. Placement type can be used to select where within the venue the ad is placed. Finally, place name can be used to select inventory within specific venues, such as a particular airport or store location.